Attention everyone. What? I have a secret. Wow, what kind of secret? It's a secret about a place I found about a week ago. Do you saw any tsunami or something? Nope. I left and I saw tsunami, but I don't know what this thing. Oh, let's go. Be quiet. This birdie's going away. My children are okay. Okay, hello, mommy. Okay, shh, go down. Beware of top trees. No, you weren't afraid of. Got to go immediately. Shh. Good, Scarfy. You destroyed all of them. Oh, I think he's going to get a mad-faced look. Look at us. Oh, we made it. We made it. Oh, it's nighttime. Daytime. Already? That's so fast. Let's keep on going on a mission. Wee-hoo! Alright, next to it. Huh? Brothers? We're right here, said Cough. Wait! We have to climb up that stool, up that thing, and you'll reach your destination. Destination? We're gonna get mosquito, thank you. Welcome. Now, mosquito, guide me. I'm your guide and you are my passengers. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Thank you, mosquito. You made us go all the way up. Actually, I think I had a magic power that leads this way. But I had to give my mom has a magic power so she can go over here too. I can still see the M&M room, but I'm in a different place because they went through a tunnel I gave my mom to so she could share it with me. So now I don't think she's gonna get in trouble. But I'm really afraid she's gonna get in trouble. But I'll say I discovered this. And then she's like, don't walk around with seals and I don't know what's gonna happen. Wow, there's lots of coral and starfishes. And wow, this thing. Ow! I'm flying on this volcano. It's not a volcano, it's all shells. Sand dollars and the poisonous, what do you call this again? It is a poisonous thing. It's called a poisonous corn snail. Wow, coral. I've never seen this before. Let's play in this coral sea and water. Wow, wahoo! I've never seen this before. And the merry-go-round, the merry-go-round, merry-go-round, the merry-go-round, merry-go-round, the merry-go-round, merry-go-round, the merry-go-round. Ow. And the starfish. Wow. Yeah, wahoo! Wee! Merry-go-round, the merry-go-round. Wee-hoo! Wow! Woohoo! Where are all my girls and sons? There are only the heartworms in here. No. They must have been stolen or went on their own. Right on their own. Maybe they just discovered something. Or maybe they kept a secret from us. Because I remember Cough got in trouble for leaving again. Is it Cough again? Ugh! I don't know what. New laws or maybe you kidnapped one. Die forever. Where? You have to call someone to do it. Neuron. Could you help us with something? What? I'm thin, sing that song? Nope. to find something. Find a mystery. Mystery. Cough. I think all the minis except the hurt ones went to somewhere. Let me see in my mom in her mind. Dot. Egg's mind. Dot. It's gonna take a while for it to upload. 1 minute more. Actually, 10 minutes. Let me see. You wait here and I go. Wee! Okay. So sorry, I did that. So now we have to go. I have to do the crime. I see footprints that lead up there. And I see a wind that leads there. Now I see footprints to you. That was over here. That was a day ago. I gave him my magic powers. A windy power that leads into a different world I do not know. What? I think that is the aha! That's her mind that gave into Cough, the windy mind, to go into different places in different worlds. We have to travel to that world too, but I don't know if it's gonna be hard enough to do it or not. I think I know. Let me see.